guys, so we're just gonna jump right into it. So this unit is from Hairvivi. They offer true scalp tape, multicolor HD lace, anti-slip elastic band, and a 13x6 large and deep parting. You can also do a glueless install if you want. The only thing is I'm not that great at glueless installs. I'd rather bring it to a hairstylist, but I did not have the time to do that, and my hairstylist is actually busy for the holiday season, so I was like, you know what, let me just do a regular, you know, install, but like lazy girl friendly. You guys know your girl is the laziest girl when it comes to her hair. So this unit, guys, is beautiful. I don't know the name of this particular unit, but look how this looks like scalp. Look at the scalp. It's even on my palm. I had to call my man and be like, check this out. Anyways, now we're gonna jump right into the install. I'm gonna be using my trusty Got To Be. I don't like doing the stocking cap method because it's just a lot. It's a lot. It's hair. Listen, I know I'm not bald headed, but I don't really care if people know it's a wig at this point. But this wig, when I tell you this wig, guys, I've never been this excited for a unit. Guys, I don't have to pluck the hairline. Look at celebration. We're celebrating. They offer two colors. They have cappuccino or mocha lace. This is just to make sure that it blends with your scalp. So basically, their true scalp parting is a kind of adhesive that you apply to your lace on the parting. So you flip your wig upside down, right? Apparently I was supposed to peel this extra bit of lace, but I didn't, and it still looks good. So that just, you know, it speaks volume at how good of a quality this unit is. Basically, you peel the sticker, you choose the one that matches your hair color, you peel it, and you just apply it on the parting. This was super easy. I was actually nervous because this is my first time doing this type of install, but I don't think I'll ever go back. I think I'm gonna keep ordering these stickers because I didn't have to pluck the parting. I didn't have to create a parting. The wig already came parted to the side, but I was easily able to turn it into a middle part if I want to do a good little bust down. So I am adjusting the elastic in the back, making sure that it's well fitted to my head. And I'm just going to flip this bad boy over. Guys, even while this is just sitting like a hat on my head, look how good this looks. Guys, I'm really impressed. Like, I don't care for wigs like that. Like, I do these hair reviews because I need my hair done, right? But I'm not a wig or a hair connoisseur. Like, I can get by. You know, to me, there must be a problem if you have to depend on people for everything. I mostly depend for my lashes because, you know, my eyes are closed, so I can't really do them myself. But you should be able to install a good unit, you know, even if it's not like a professional install, perfect, seamless, you should be able to do this. And getting a Hairvivi wig, honestly, within the first 10 minutes, I was like, look, listen, this is the new go-to. I do not want any other wigs besides this company because, guys, look. Anyways, moving on to the install, we're gonna apply some Got To Be glue. We're just gonna, you know, I think I put 2 layers and make sure that it was flat and well spread it out. Honestly, I was going pretty quickly and there are a couple, you know, lumps, but we managed to fix everything. So I'm just gonna apply this on the perimeter of my head, and we are going to blow dry this using my trusty blow dry brush from Revlon. I will link it down below. This is how I get my blowout look, but I didn't use it for that today. I used it to dry off the glue. Moving on to the ORS Olive Oil Fix It Liquid Gel Glue. I got some on my face. Look at the shock in my face. Anyways, this is the best like liquid or glue type like material product to get the melted look. This product just sinks into the lace and your skin, and I just love this product. So I applied some on the back of like a makeup powder. If you have an actual like little plaque thing for makeup, you can use that. and I used the back of a rat tail comb to apply the excess product. Even if I did not do the stocking cap method, guys, I still feel like this unit looks natural. I still have it on, which speaks volume because your girl I'm the quickest to remove a unit. So yeah, then I went back in with some free spray. You can use the Got to Be Blue. I use the Aussie, and I'm just going to spray some in the perimeter just to make sure that everything melts properly. And I'll be using my blow dry brush again to blow dry the perimeter. Because I don't do like crazy blow drying with my hair, and I mostly use blow dry brushes to blow out my natural hair, I don't feel the need to buy a proper blow dryer. Maybe one day, you know, I'll just buy one, but I've never needed to, and it's been almost a year since I haven't had a proper blow dryer. This works the same, if I'm being honest. So now I'm gonna go into a elastic band. I'm gonna use an elastic band just to let it sit, and then after waiting a good 5 minutes, I was on my phone scrolling, I peeled it off. So I do have makeup on, which has created excess like mix of glue and makeup on my skin, and it was just looking gross. But guys, the lace, I still have the lace on. I'm just reminding you guys that the lace has not been cut yet. So I'm going to be brushing out the excess glue or spray that's in the hair, and honestly it wasn't a lot, and I'll just go in and cut the lace. I usually cut the lace in 3 big sections, and then I go into the middle section and start cutting in a jagged zigzag motion, very close to the hairline, just so it could look as natural as possible. Nobody has a naturally straight hairline, so I try to go in a zigzag jagged motion in order to get the most natural lace on my forehead. Moving on. Now I'm gonna go into the sideburns. This wig is in a size medium, if I remember correctly. So I often get medium when I should be getting small, but I really wanna make sure that I have enough hair to cover my sideburns or the side of my, you know, head, because I hate it when a wig is just too short for your head, you know? So I had excess hair, excess lace, so I cut that off on each side. Guys, when I tell you this install was, now I'm going back into that ORS Fix It glue. I'm just gonna apply a tad bit of product just to make sure that everything is laid down. I did have stuff to do afterwards, so I wanted to make sure that, you know what, even if you are lazy, if you're gonna do this install on this fire wig, make sure, you know, it's well laid at least. Guess I didn't have to do anything. I'm still in shock that I did not have to literally not do anything. I didn't have to do it's funny to me because I literally did not have to put any powder. I didn't have to do anything. I just needed to plop it on my head, glue it down, and then I was ready to go. So now I'm just gonna keep cutting the excess lace, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is laid down and, you know, just looking good and flat. There's nothing worse than a lifting There's nothing worse than a lifting wig, especially on the first day that you've laid it. Like, it's supposed to be secure for at least 48 hours after you've plopped that thing on. So after having that little quick dance break, I went back into cutting the lace. That I was a bit more meticulous with this because I just really wanted it to look good. And now we're gonna go into the hot comb. I didn't really have to do much, but this unit has been in a box for a while, so I just wanted it to look as flat as possible. I'm just reminding you guys that I did not pluck the parting. I did not do anything to the lace, to anything. I did not do anything. I cannot stop talking because I'm in shock. All I had to do was basically lay that thing flat with my a bit of wax stick and my hot comb. I don't have anything to say anymore. I'm gonna go into my flat iron just because the front bits were a bit like frizzy since this unit was in a box, but I'm not necessarily going to straighten the wig all the way down because it did come pre-curled. I did not wash the wig before applying it because I wanted to show you guys how it looked like straight from the box. Like, how good this unit is, basically. I'm gonna keep straightening and just making sure that the base of the wig and the middle of the hair is nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go into my curler, but I use this technique, which is kind of like a blow dry technique when I use my curler. So just so I can have some like natural looking pretty curls. I just wanted the rest of it to match with the rest of like the curls that were already in this unit. So as you guys can see, I was feeling myself. This is the style of this hairstyle is not really my style anymore. I'm really into like the bouncy blowout look, but I will be cutting some layers into it a little later. But I really love this unit, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how quick this install was. Like, this video is just going, it's flying by. So shout out to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next vlogmas. Bye.
Stop playing games.